Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. How are you today, Jake?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thanks. I'm excited for today's lesson.
Me too. Today, we're going to talk about expressing possibility. We'll learn how to use might and may.
Sounds interesting. How do we use those words?
Great question. When we want to express that something is possible but not certain, we can use might or may. Let's start with the dialogue.
Okay, I'm ready.
Imagine we are talking about the weather. I might say, it might rain tomorrow. What do you think?
I think it may be sunny instead.
That's possible. It's uncertain, right? The weather can change.
Yeah, it's likely to be different every day.
Exactly. So, both statements can be true. Now, let's explain a little more about might and may.
Do they mean the same thing?
They are very similar, but might often suggests a smaller chance. For example, if I say, it might snow this weekend, I think there's a small possibility. But if I say, it may snow, it feels a bit more likely.
Got it. So, might is a little less certain.
Exactly. And we can use both to describe things like plans or events. For instance, we might go to the park later.
Or, we may have lunch at that new restaurant.
Great examples. Now, let's do another dialogue to practice more.
Alright, how about we discuss our weekend plans?
Good idea. I might visit my family. What about you?
I may go hiking if the weather is nice.
That sounds fun. There's a chance it will be perfect for hiking.
Definitely. But if it's rainy, we might stay home instead.
Exactly. So, we used might and may to express our plans and the uncertainty of the weather.
I feel more confident using those words now.
Fantastic. Now let's look at our vocabulary words. Can you remember any?
Sure, we talked about perhaps, chance, possible, likely, and uncertain.
Great job. Let's use them in sentences. For example, it's possible we might go to the cinema tonight.
Or, there's a chance that Emma may bring snacks for the movie.
Perfect. How about one more? Maybe you could say, it might be likely that we'll see a new film.
Yes, it's uncertain what we'll choose, but all options are possible.
Exactly. Well done. Let's review quickly. What did we learn today?
We learned how to use might and may to express possibility.
Right. And we practiced using our vocabulary words in context.
I feel like I can talk about possibilities much better now.
I'm glad to hear that. Next time, we'll explore modals for necessity. That should be fun.
I can't wait for it. Thanks for today, Emma.
Thank you, Jake. See you all in the next lesson.